Welcome to another Hot Wheels Monster Jam unboxing here on Monster Truck Classics. We are going to take a look at the 2018 new look of Thrasher. But actually this is a flashback. He is number 3 of 6 in that series. The other trucks in the Flashback Series for 2018 is King Crunch is number 1. Number 2 is Shocker. 3 Thrasher, 4 is Inferno, 5 is Blue Thunder, and number 6 is going to be a flashback of King Crunch. So that will be really something to see when that comes out. In this series, we have the Carolina Crusher in the Epic Editions, Ice Cream Man in the Clear Crushers, Thrasher Flashback, Wrecking Crew, Tour Favorites, Avenger, Tour Favorites, Monster Dalmatian in the MJ Dog Pound, Soldier Fortune in the Tour Favorites, and NEA Police. Since this was a Flashback Series truck, I went out and found in the container that I have some of my old Monster Jam Hot Wheel trucks, and here is Thrasher from 2002, and you can see that they had a picture of the truck on the front of the card, also the United States Hot Rod Association symbol. And we're just gonna bring Thrasher up close so you get to see it. Very interesting piece of history, actually. Probably never thought that they would come out and have a flashback series or even make them into a little bit bigger size truck back then in 2002. As you can tell also that it was extended cab, and on the truck it wasn't extended on the toy, but now they did have the extended cab, so that's gonna be a little bit more realistic going back to the picture right there. Before I go on, I'm just gonna show you the back of the card from 2002. You have Hot Wheels, and then there's Wild Thing, Eradicator, there's Thrasher, then there's Gravedigger, and another Gravedigger, El Toro Loco, there's Bustin' Loose, Chillin' Villain, you might remember some of these trucks, Medusa, there's Reptoid, Veta King, there's Avenger, Prowler, Hulk, King Crunch, Sudden Impact, Wolverine, Team Mints, Bulldozer, Spider-Man, Predator, there's Airborne Ranger, He-Man, Masters of the Universe. So that was some of the trucks back then. Here's the recrushable card that he comes with. Nice and cushiony. And here comes Thrasher into the stadium. Wow, look at this. Bring it up close. There's the new Monster Jam logo, and also the United States Hot Rod Association logo. Hot Wheels, there is Patsuma, there's Thrasher, turn it to the front, that's about it for the front. There's Thrasher on the other side. On the back of the truck it has the name Thrasher. It does have the BKT Hot Wheel tires. And here we go with the recrushable car. So there you have the flashback of Thrasher. I hope you enjoyed this review and unboxing. Thank you for tuning in.